Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Derma chemical peel. This is the Derma 15% AHA plus 1% BHA peeling solution. Quantity is 30 ml and the price is 499 rupees. This product is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Smitten, Flipkart, Amazon and on the Derma website too. This is non-sponsored video. Let's see the chemical composition which is used in this product. 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid and 1% salicylic acid. Let's see the each ingredient. 5% glycolic acid. It is alpha hydroxy acid which removes the dead skin cells to reveal the fresh bright skin. Also, it helps to minimize the pores and fights the acne. It provides the exfoliation. Next ingredient is 5% lactic acid, which helps to treat the hyperpigmentation, age spots, dullness and uneven complexion. Reduces the pore visibility, improves the skin barrier, enhances the moisture retention. Next ingredient is 5% mandelic acid. It helps to remove the dead skin cells and provides a smooth skin. Effective yet gentle at the same time, suitable for most sensitive skin. Next ingredient is 1% salicylic acid. It is a form of BHA, beta hydroxy acid. Reduces the enlarged pores, fights the acne, antibacterial and oil soluble properties, allow it to penetrate deep within the pore and clear the sebum and bacteria. It breaks the bond formed by the dead skin cells and flushes out the debris and grime from the inside of the pores. Make the skin glowy and healthy, clear. This is made in India product. Let's see how to use. Do the patch test before use. Now see the tutorial. On a clean and dry face, apply peeling solution. Once a week, leave it for 10 minutes only, not more than that. Wash with the normal water. Then apply the ceramide based moisturizer. Use it at evening. Do not step out in the sun without sun protection on the next day. Here is my review. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. I have tried this. Half of the bottle I have exhausted and going to review. I am unable to exhaust the full bottle. Sorry, I didn't use it on a regular basis, but yes, half bottle I have used. First month I have tried this in 15 days of interval. Then next month once a week. Yes, it suits me well. No irritation, no burning. It didn't give that much smoothness, but do cleanse the face. You have to be consistent to see the results. In the starting, I had watched that glowing and clear skin. The consistency of the serum is runny, liquidy. I have tried this during 6 months after opening. Now I will exhaust this remaining solution on my body parts like knees, elbows. And please don't use more than once a week. It may damage the skin barrier. Avoid the mouth, lip area, eye area. Also avoid the nose corner area if your skin is dry there. Mine is oily, so I don't bother. But I avoid those areas where skin is more sensitive. Use very gentle cleanser. Don't use exfoliating like the salicylic acid cleanser on that day. It might result in dry skin. Don't use any exfoliating serum after using this on the same day. Just apply the normal moisturizer and you can skip the retinol on that day. Just go and sleep. That's it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.